You got lipstick on your front teeth.
You too.
Hmm?
You do too.
Hey. Greetings, everyone. So today I'm here with my niece Keira, and we are going to be doing the summer 2018 Nickbox unboxing. She's really into the Nickbox. She watches a lot of 90s Nickelodeon shows. This box in particular, I already knew everything that was in here because the Nickbox was supposed to ship these out mid-July. They did not ship them out until July 30th. And then, before they made it to anyone, they posted on Facebook everything that was in it. So, I already know, at least this one will be surprised. So, let's get started. So, the theme of it is camp. It's like summer camp. You can see it's in a little log cabin. It's really cute. This box is actually really small compared to some of the other ones. Yes. Oh, yes. Chucky and Tommy on the back. She loves Rugrats. Yeah, by the way, I'm wearing my Chucky shirt, and I added some of my previous Nickbox pins to my jean jacket. So
I remember those.
I warn you, there's a lot of stuff in here that you might not know, because there were some things that I didn't know either. So first we have this baseball cap.
That's on your jacket. Yeah.
Oh, no, that's completely different. This pin is from the Midnight Society from Are You Afraid of the Dark? So here we have a little baseball cap. It has just a little Nickelodeon logo with a campfire.
Can we put it on?
Yeah, go for it. And now we have two things from a show called Salute Your Shorts, which I guess was like a summer camp related show. It came out in 1991, which is when I was born, so I don't know. But apparently a theme of it has to do with boxer shorts going up on a flagpole. So it came with a pair of boxer shorts. It has a lot of stuff on it from the show. Camp Anawanna, I guess is what the camp was called. If you like the boxer shorts, they feel very nice. A Camp Anawanna Salute Your Shorts water bottle. Don't worry, there is something in this box that I have. This box actually came with a lot of clothing items because it comes with the hat, the boxer shorts, and a t-shirt. It says Camp Nick Summer 2018, and it just has some of your favorite 90s Nicktoons. We've got Rocko, Hey Arnold, Ren and Stimpy, Cat Dog, Angry Beavers, Keira. I'm trying to show it to the camera too, but I think it's cute.
I know some of the shows that are on it, but I've seen them a little bit of them.
She watches Rugrats a lot. Then we have a pack of playing cards. I have not opened these yet, but I'm assuming that they have all of your favorite 90s Nicktoons on here. Here, you open it. My assistant. Here we have a Helga Bobblehead. Back there on that little Nickelodeon themed shelf over there, I have a few other Hey Arnold things, and I do have a Hey Arnold bobblehead. So let's open her up. I used to love this show as a kid. Ooh, she's pointing. She's giving that angry look. You football head. I can just imagine her saying right now. Look at that eyebrow. Ooh, she is showing some tood there. That's Helga Pataki.
I finally got the cards open.
You want to see what's on them?
Yeah.
Wow.
No one.
Oh.
Angelica.
So it looks like on the like the Jacks, Queen, Kings, we have some of our characters. We have another vinyl. This one is Rocko from Rocko's Modern Life. You've probably never seen this, right?
Yeah,
You have seen it?
Yeah.
I love it.
Ugh. No, but I haven't seen what's inside of it.
And he's backpacking. This is actually really heavy. Holy cannoli.
What is it made out of?
I don't know. But he's got a little backpack. He's got some camping goodies. It looks like he's gonna go camping.
It's literally the theme of this entire box.
Well, yeah, it is. It's the summer 2018 Camp Nick.
I really like this hat.
We have 2 more items in here. Have you ever heard of the show Rocket Power?
No.
It's more of like a early 2000s show than a 90s show. This is a bottle opener. You can hang it up on the wall. It's Shore Shack. That's where the Rocket Power kids used to hang out. I do believe their dad worked there. And it says no shoobies. But it's a practical item, so I mean, if you drink anything in a bottle, that needs to be opened. And the last thing that I'm going to give to you
is a wallet.
No.
Good. I feel like it's something.
Here, why don't you open it up? It's a beach ball. Ooh, there's supposed to be a character on here.
What?
Yeah, it's supposed to be Reptar.
He's not on here.
Emily, do you want to try and blow it up? See, it's supposed to be
got lipstick
Reptar.
on it.
Where is Reptar?
Nowhere to be seen.
But yeah, we'll go through this card real quick while my other niece tries to blow it up for us. See if we can find where Reptar went. We have the Rocket Power Shore Shack bottle opener, Rocko's Modern Life vinyl figure, Rugrats Reptar Beach Ball, Hey Arnold Helga
Not to be
Bobblehead,
seen yet.
Camp Nickbox graphic ringer tee, bumper logo hat, Camp Anawanna novelty boxer shorts, Camp Anawanna sport bottle, and playing cards. Hopefully Reptar makes an appearance on that beach ball.
If it doesn't, can I have this hat?
That's what I found.
You found Reptar?
Wait a second.
Ooh, you
But
might
can I
have
have the
found
hat?
Reptar. No. I already gave you my Cynthia doll. That was like the best thing to ever come in a Nick box. And I gave you my Tommy Pickles
Holding a.
little vinyl. What else have I given you out of the Nick box? But I guess to recap while we wait for Reptar to make an appearance, I actually am pleasantly surprised with this box. I don't know anything about Salute Your Shores or Camp Anawanna, but I think the water bottle is cool. I like when they give like actual useful items, like the vinyls and the bobbleheads, like those are cool and all to sit out, but I like stuff that I can actually use. And I like the clothes. I actually wear the shirts that I've gotten out of the Nick boxes. We found Reptar.
Wait, he's inside?
He's in the middle. So it looks like he's
Just
stomping through the city. The
Stomping
big
everywhere.
Reptar. There you go. Are you happy?
Yeah, we
Maybe
found
it'll
that.
stop raining and we can go to the pool.
Yeah,
Doubt
and we can
it.
use it.
Yeah, well, yes, exactly. That's why I said that.
I mean, it's a beach ball, so I can't eat.
All right. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. I know it's something different, but I really do enjoy these Nick boxes. So.
Me too. I like to get stuff on them.
Well, keep watching. They come out once every 3 months. All right. Have a good day. Don't forget to subscribe. All right. Bye.
Bye.